Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a dependent drop-down list in Google Sheets. Instead of showing every option in one long list, the second drop-down will automatically change based on what you selected in the first drop-down. For example, if you choose income, you'll only see income categories. If you choose expense, you'll only see expense categories. So, let's get started. First, select the type cell, go to data, then data validation. Under criteria, choose drop down from the range, then select P6 to C6 as the source for the drop down, then click done. Now we have our first drop down ready. Next, we'll create a helper list that updates automatically based on the selected type. Select the first cell in the helper column, type equals index, then open parenthesis, select B7 to C15 as the reference range. This contains all of our income and expense categories. For the row number, type 0, so the formula returns every row. For the column number, type match, then open parenthesis, select the type cell as the search key. Next, select B6 to C6 as the lookup range. Type 0 for an exact match. Close the match parenthesis, then close the index parenthesis. Then press enter. Now, whenever we change the first drop down, the helper list updates automatically. Now select the category cell, go to data, data validation, choose drop down from arrange, then select the helper list as the source. Then click done. Let's test it. When you select income, you'll only see income categories. Switch to expense and the drop down list instantly change to show expense categories. And that's it. You now have a dependent drop down list in Google Sheets. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.